Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'm thrilled to be sharing a layout I created with the wonderful new washi tape from the March 2020 release. I am a huge fan of washi tapes. It is one of my favorite products because it is so versatile and you can use it in so many different ways, which I will show you today on this layout. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a layered look using my washi tapes, and I'm going to be using this to cut out different shapes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some really smooth cardstock and I'm just going to layer the different colors from light to dark and then back from dark to light again, and then just one more time. And this is going to be kind of a pattern paper that I will use in different ways. So once I've done this, I can also use those little edges, which I did for a little card. So don't throw those away, just pop those onto some other cardstock. And then once you've got this, you can start cutting out your images. I use the Fantasy Floral dies as well as the Open Bloom 3D die set. These are wonderful die sets, and you can cut out variations of these images using whatever washi tape you would like to use, but I'm using these and I'm making like 3 or 4 colored blooms. So once I've got all those little pieces, all I have to do is start layering my different flowers so that I can create my little embellishments. I'm using some really good liquid glue to glue these all together because I have noticed that with tape roller glue, sometimes it doesn't adhere as well with the washi tape, and with liquid glue you can move around your little pieces, just getting the layers all right. Here you can see the leftover washi on some white cardstock, and I want this to be in the middle, so I'm just going to cut that in half and recreate an 8.5 by 11 background just by sticking them together with some simple painter's tape, as you can see here. I have got that nasty little line in my layout, so I'm just going to cover that up with some beautiful washi tape from our new collection. This beautiful washi is called the Floral Field washi tape, and I'm just going to add some extra gold onto that using this lovely gold washi as well. There are different sizes, different widths of gold washi tape in our new collection, and another one of my favorites is this emerald striped washi tape. So now that my background is almost ready, I'm going to start putting together the layout. I'm going to take my photo and I'm going to pop that onto some white cardstock. I always love having a white backdrop or frame around my photos. This just helps the photos stand out, especially here when we've got a really bright, colorful background. So I'm going to glue my photo down and pop down my 2 flowers, which I created earlier. And I will also cut out some flowers from this pattern paper, just to add some green and some lighter pink as well. And just because I thought it was lacking flowers. You can never have enough flowers. To the side, I'll be adding a strip of allium washi tape, which has the same colors, it has the same color palette. And I'm also going to make a couple of banners and little labels using leftover pieces of paper and the washi tape. This is just going to add some extra little bit of detail. Once that is done, I'll add a title and maybe some journaling. For my title, I'll be using the Incredible stamp set, which has some amazing sentiments, which you can use on cards, but also on your layouts. So there you have it. That was today's video featuring our lovely new washi tapes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. For more information on all the products used, please visit the Altenew Scrapbook blog. Have a lovely, creative day, and I'll see you very soon with more inspiration from Altenew. Bye bye.